Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I want to show you the new update for Twitter where you can now have Instagram cards for your Instagram post link. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So, Instagram cards show you a preview of what is being posted on Twitter. To post Instagram cards to Twitter, open up your Instagram app, go to your Instagram feed and tap on the Instagram post which you want to share on Twitter. Tap on the three dots at the top right and then tap on copy link. Now go back to your home screen and open up Twitter. Tap on the tweet button at the bottom right. Add your text and then paste your Instagram link in the tweet window. Wait a few seconds and the Instagram card will appear. Now go ahead and post your tweet to Twitter. And that is how to post Instagram cards on Twitter. Hope you found this useful. If this video helped you out, then please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.